Today we come up with a brand new triple-story home with open kitchen and lovely interior. This house is located at Cochin in Kerala.
This house is about 4,700 square feet, spread across 3 floors, of which the first 2 floors have the home and the top floor has the office. The office actually starts from the first floor, joined to the topmost floor. Mostly the finishes consist of exposed concrete, unplastered walls, like brick surfaces, raw flooring like stone, etc. and combination with ceramic and vitrified tiles. This home is designed on a 6.5 cent plot. We had to cover almost entire of the plot, leaving aside only the parking and basic gardening spaces all around.
Let's go to the inner area.
The 2 floors of residential area has got approximately 3,000 square feet of built-up area, which covers 1 bedroom in the ground floor and 2 bedrooms on the upper floor, with both living spaces on the ground and the first floor. The living spaces in the ground floor is like one extended space which covers from the family living to the formal living to the dining to the kitchen. It's like one big hall. There's no separation in between. And upper floor's got a similar pattern, but since there are 2 bedrooms, the area is limited to a certain portion only. And the open terrace happens on the top of the family area on the first floor.
This is the modular kitchen with storage racks, cabin and refrigerator. The stair used is fabricated with GI pipe and wood. It's a modern style of stair. In particular, more amount of sunlight is passing to this home. No additional lighting required in daytime for viewing purpose. This is the puja area. Only the boundary wall separation is mostly present in this home. All other areas kept as open space. There is another living space in this home, where a black cushion sofa set is provided. All corners of the room are decorated with live plants in pots. Washing area. The first bedroom with attached bathroom, this design with very beautifully and elegant interior. Let's move to the first floor. We are in upper floor. Here we see a treadmill and iron stand. The organizer has planned every aspects of life in this home. Let's check the second bedroom now. It is a modern bedroom with all amenities and attached bath. This is the final bedroom here. Let's check now. Everything here is arranged neatly. Wardrobe and dressing area is provided here. Now we covered all residential area. Next move to the office space. The entrance for the office is from outside, that brings a privacy and comfort.
The space on the top floor has got approximately 1000 square feet of covered space, and the rest is open terrace. If you can see the top floor, you will understand that it's like a spillover area of the office. So it's like an extended office space opening out into the open.
Overall, this home can be utilized as an office and residential area. This has designed on flat roof style by seeking all needs. If we go for a spacious and extraordinary home, this is the best one we can suggest.